The ocean's role in climate mitigation. Title: The ocean's role in climate mitigation. Introduction. Climate change is one of the greatest challenges of our time, with the Earth experiencing significant changes in temperature, sea level rise, and extreme weather events. While much attention has been focused on land-based solutions for mitigating climate change, the role of the ocean in this process cannot be overlooked. The ocean plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate through various mechanisms, and understanding these processes is vital in our efforts to combat climate change. This article explores the multifaceted role of the ocean in climate mitigation and highlights the importance of preserving and protecting our marine ecosystems. 1. Carbon sink. The ocean acts as a vast carbon sink, absorbing a substantial amount of the carbon dioxide, CO2, emitted into the atmosphere. The absorption of CO2 by seawater helps to slow down the rate of global warming by reducing the concentration of this greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. Protecting and restoring marine ecosystems, such as mangroves, seagrass beds, and kelp forests, can enhance carbon sequestration and help mitigate climate change. 2. Oceanic circulation. Ocean currents play a vital role in the redistribution of heat globally, thereby regulating climate patterns. The Gulf Stream, for example, transports warm water from the tropics to higher latitudes, influencing temperature distributions and weather patterns along its path. Changes in oceanic circulation can significantly impact regional climates. With global warming, these currents are at risk of alteration as melting ice caps and increased freshwater input disrupts salinity levels. Understanding and monitoring shifts in ocean currents are crucial for predicting future climate trends. 3. Thermal regulation. The ocean acts as a massive heat sink, absorbing and storing vast amounts of heat energy from the sun. This process helps to moderate global temperature variations. Ocean heat distribution affects atmospheric circulation patterns, cloud formation, and precipitation levels, all of which are critical components of the Earth's climate system. Rising sea temperatures due to climate change threaten RNA ecosystems and result in more frequent and intense weather events, such as hurricanes and typhoons. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions and fostering sustainable practices, we can help mitigate the effects of climate change on the ocean's thermal regulation. 4. Ocean acidification. The increase in atmospheric CO2 levels not only contributes to global warming but also leads to ocean acidification. As the ocean absorbs excess CO2, it undergoes chemical changes, resulting in a decrease in pH levels. Mitigating ocean acidification requires reducing carbon emissions and implementing measures to protect vulnerable marine ecosystems. 5. Role of marine biodiversity. Marine biodiversity plays a pivotal role in climate mitigation. Coral reefs, for example, support a diverse ecosystem and act as natural barriers against storm surges and coastal erosion. They also provide habitat and spawning grounds for numerous marine species. However, increasing ocean temperatures and ocean acidification pose a significant threat to coral reefs. The protection and restoration of coral reefs not only safeguard biodiversity but also contribute to climate resilience. Other marine organisms, such as phytoplankton, also contribute to carbon sequestration through photosynthesis. Preserving and conserving marine biodiversity is vital for climate change mitigation. 6. Sustainable fisheries. In addition to its role in climate mitigation, the ocean also provides a crucial source of food for millions of people around the world. However, unsustainable fishing practices have put significant pressure on marine resources, leading to overfishing and the decline of fish populations. By adopting sustainable fisheries management practices, we can ensure the long-term viability of fish stocks, while also promoting climate resilience. Sustainable fishing methods, such as selective fishing gear and implementing fishing quotas, can help maintain healthy fish populations and protect marine ecosystems. 7. Blue carbon. Blue carbon refers to the carbon stored in coastal and marine ecosystems, including mangroves, seagrasses, and salt marshes. These ecosystems have high carbon sequestration capacities, making them beat climate change mitigation. However, coastal development and habitat degradation have resulted in significant losses of blue carbon reservoirs. Protecting and restoring these ecosystems not only enhances carbon sequestration but also provides additional benefits such as coastal protection, habitat provision, and water quality improvement. Recognizing the value of blue carbon and incorporating its conservation into climate change mitigation strategies is crucial. 8. Ocean-based renewable energy. As the world transitions to cleaner sources of energy, the ocean offers great potential for renewable energy generation. Technologies such as offshore wind farms, tidal energy, and wave energy have the capacity to provide clean, sustainable power while reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Harnessing the power of the ocean for renewable energy not only helps mitigate climate change but also diversifies the energy mix and reduces reliance on fossil fuels. However, it is essential to consider potential environmental impacts and ensure responsible and sustainable deployment of ocean-based renewable energy technologies. 9. International cooperation. Addressing the complexities of climate change and its impacts on the ocean requires global collaboration and cooperation. International agreements such as the Paris Agreement provide a framework for countries to work together in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and adapting to the effects of climate change. By sharing knowledge, resources, and best practices, we can create a collective and effective response to the challenges we face. 10. Individual actions. While large-scale initiatives and international cooperation are essential, individual actions also play a significant role in climate change mitigation. Simple steps such as reducing energy consumption, choosing sustainable seafood options, and reducing plastic waste can make a difference. Final thoughts. The ocean's role in climate mitigation is multifaceted and interconnected with various aspects of the Earth's climate system. From acting as a carbon sink to supporting marine biodiversity and providing renewable energy opportunities, the ocean offers both challenges and solutions in combating climate change. Recognizing the importance of the ocean and implementing sustainable practices are crucial steps towards a resilient and sustainable future. Through collective action, international cooperation, and individual commitment, we can protect and preserve our ocean, ensuring its vital role in climate mitigation for generations to come. Indigenous communities have long-standing relationships with the ocean and possess valuable traditional knowledge about marine ecosystems and their resilience. By acknowledging and respecting indigenous perspectives, we can learn from their sustainable practices and incorporate them into our strategies. Supporting indigenous-led conservation initiatives and ensuring indigenous rights in ocean governance can enhance climate resilience and promote social and environmental justice. 12. Plastic pollution. The issue of plastic pollution in the ocean is a pressing concern that intersects with climate change mitigation. Plastics not only harm marine life but also contribute to greenhouse gas emissions due